With your GMC vehicle, you're just a few taps away from enjoying your iPhone apps. While your vehicle is in park, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is active and in discoverable mode. Then to begin, tap the gray Apple CarPlay icon, then tap Connect a Phone. Open your Bluetooth settings, then select your vehicle's name. Tap Pair. Then follow the prompts to complete the wireless pairing. You will be prompted to accept terms and conditions on the vehicle infotainment screen, and then accept the wireless prompt on your phone. Once paired, Apple CarPlay will launch automatically and you can access your apps. As another option, you can also connect by plugging your phone's USB cable into your vehicle's USB port. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions if you haven't, and Apple CarPlay should launch right away. Just follow the prompts on your phone to continue wirelessly. So now you can make calls, get directions, access your calendar, play your tunes, or ask Siri to read your messages, all from your vehicle infotainment screen.